Hey guys, welcome back. Well, she's finally finished, boys and girls. We've done our 56 Chevrolet Del Rey. It's a Revel kit. If you guys haven't built this kit, you got to get your hands on it and do it. I highly recommend this baby. It went together flawless. Had a little issue with the front glass on it, but overall, it was a fantastic kit. We did it in a two-tone, blue and white, as you can see. We decided we were going to change the wheels up. We originally, in one of my other videos, way back in the beginning, we were going to use these babies on it. Kind of a radial spoke wheel that I had in my stash in the white walls from a different kit. But decided after kept looking at these and looking at these, and I said, you know what, those are cool, but no. So what I decided to do was I 3D printed some wheels and some tires for it. And I'm glad I did, because it was, as I mentioned, it's my favorite 50, 55, 56 Chevrolet out of all their models. This is my favorite of 55 and 56. And if I was going to own a one-to-one car of this, which I'd love to have, those are the kind of wheels I'd put on it, with the tires low profile, down low. As you know, that's the way I like them. But overall, it's a fantastic kit. You guys got to build this kit. It is a Revel. What is the kit number of this? I can't remember. Hang on a second. Try and find it. There you are. 85-4504. I don't know if I can zoom out and get a picture of the box again. Hang on a second. Let's try this. Up goes the light. You're going up, boys and girls. And we're coming down. There we go. Try that. Hang on. Try and get this box in view. Can we? Yay, it worked. Look at this. Fantastic kit. Get your hands on it. Build it. You'll have a blast with it. Anywho, coming back down. And back up. Oh my god, jiggly cam, look out. There we go. Yeah, she was fantastic. Got the chrome foiling done. Got some 3D printed brake rotors on it. Chroming on this kit is fantastic. And as I said, everything went together like a dream. Got our little Canadian flag pins on the front and the back. Hood's a little bit tweaked. And I don't know whether it's the body or whether it's the hood. There's a tiny bit of a gap right on the side. And this little corner sits higher. But you know, you and I, when we're building models, we're our own worst critic. You tend to nitpick at little things that the average person is never really going to realize. But anyway, that's part of model building. And left side. Tail end shot. Coming around. There we go. I'm really happy with that. Oh, I'm going to do a little polishing here. Hang on. Get our Q-tip polisher out. Fingerprints off this baby. Oh my god. Who detailed this thing? Guy should be fired. Anyway. It turned out fantastic, boys and girls. I'm excited. I'd build this kit again in a heartbeat. I've got an order in for a couple. It should be here hopefully in a couple of weeks, probably. I'm thinking. There we go. All right, she's ready for the car show. And we'll get the hood off. Get you an eyeball view of this hood and the motor. Hang on. Probably going to go up again. Get ready for jiggly cam. Come on, baby. You can do it. Ah, girl. There we go. All right. You know what? We're going up. And we're coming back down. And get the car into view. There we go. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting this thing will zoom. Let's try this. And we do a little bit of adjustment. Here we go. There we are. All right. Motor went together good. Pretty much stock other than the air cleaner I changed on it. Made a little throttle return spring, throttle cable. Used one of my 3D printed V8 distributors on it. One of my oil filler tubes, pointy stick, oil filler tube, throttle return spring, one of my air cleaners. I used the actual, I didn't use the dash decals on it. So I used one of the dash decal off the right hand side of the dash on top of the air cleaner. Kind of trims that off, kind of neat. One of my resin brake master cylinder assemblies. Run some brake lines down from there. Got upper and lower rad hoses in place, and my little hose clamps on upper and lowers. And batteries wired up. Got a little decal on there just to kind of brighten that up and not make it look so plain. Whoop, get you into view again. Whoa, come on. There you are. One of my fuel filters that we sell on the site. Didn't use one of my 3D printed fuel pumps on this one. That was I started this kit way before I had those fuel pumps up on the site. So anyway, when you get a chance, boys and girls, stop by. We got some new items up on the site now. Yeah, it was fantastic, this build. Stay. Now we got to start thinking. Oh, we got to zoom back out. Not gonna work. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now we got to start thinking of what our next kit's gonna be. Got a couple in mind. Got a motor I'm working on. Working out some pulleys for it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that in my next build or not. We'll let you know and keep you up to speed. Anyway, we'll let you know in the next week or so, or a few days, what the next build is going to be. Anyway, boys and girls, I can't say it enough. Fantastic kit. If you haven't built it, get your hands on it. It is fantastic. On that note, we'll catch you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by as usual. See ya.